Hello everybody, I'm Peter Richmeyer, here to tell you about the Gossip Lab's new pattern completion experiment, which is for kids between the ages of 3 years 9 months and 4 years 6 months. So for those of you who haven't met me in person, that's me to the right with my dog Joanne, and there's lots more information about me personally and about the research that I do on the website at the bottom of this slide. So most of my research relates to how kids learn to speak accurately, and this pattern completion experiment is about just that. What's interesting about it, at least me, is that we've set it up to be a lot of fun for kids, and we've done that in a couple ways. So one is that the production that the kids make of our words is set up to be a pattern completion. So they hear examples of the word, and then when they see a yellow light, they are told that that's their opportunity to say the word. And the yellow light always comes last, so it's sort of completing the pattern that we set up. The second thing is that the experiment moves forward based on what the kid does. They have a mouse and they control how quickly they want to move from one point to the next. So let's look at how that works. I'm going to show you some examples with real words, but in the actual experiment that we have in our lab, most of the words that kids say are actually non-words that we created for this experiment. So let's imagine that the kids are going to say donut, and to start with, the blue bar at the far left turns white, and they hear an adult say donut. They click the mouse, and they hear another adult say donut. And the third time, and then the fourth time, they see a yellow light, and they know that's their turn to say the words. So in this case, we hope the kid says donut. So let's do that whole thing again, but we'll hear the adults say donut, and then you can say donut when you see the yellow light.
Donut, donut, donut.
Well, sometimes kids hear a word 3 times, but sometimes they hear it only once. So this is what it's like if you hear only one example of a word.
Ball.
And now kids say ball. Sometimes they hear it 3 times, sometimes they hear it once. And this is an example where they hear a word, in this case kitty, 6 times before they say it.
Kitty,
Kitty.
kitty,
Kitty. Kitty.
kitty.
So we have run this experiment with a couple of kids, and we think they both had a pretty good time. If you know of a child between the ages of 3 years 9 months and 4 years 6 months that you think might enjoy participating in this experiment, we would love to hear from their parent or guardian, and they can contact us at gossiplab@yahoo.com. That email address is there at the bottom of the slide. Or they can call us at Purdue. Our number is area code 765-494-6472. Thank you all very much for watching, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon.